So the first thing we want to do is go to canva.com, which you can see I've already got available on my screen here. And then I'm actually going to search for photo collage. You may see some items here that maybe also say like photo collage or mood board photo collage, but these are kind of like some recommended things for me. And since I've been kind of playing around, they're already there. But if you don't see that, you can search in here and you can actually see some suggested items here, or you can just search for what you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in photo collage and I can select it right here. And then now it will show me a whole bunch of different templates that I can use to create collages. And that's what a vision board is. Pretty much is just like a large photo collage of things that you want in your life. So I'm gonna scroll through here until I find the one I'm looking for, because I have the perfect template in mind. Yes, here it is, right here. I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one, and now it's gonna open this up in a new tab, and you can see it's already got some elements and things here. So what I'm going to want to do is insert my own photos and text into this template. And I could even move some things around if I wanted to, but just to keep it simple for right now, I'm just going to add some photos and change some text just to show you guys how easy it is to create a digital vision board in Canva. So let me choose So now I'm going to go to my little folder on my hard drive here where I've already saved some pictures. What I'm going to make is like a vision board for my dream apartment, okay? So I'm actually going to drag this off screen a little bit here. And then I can take some of these images and drag them onto the Canva website. And you'll see when I drag these, they're gonna appear in like the upload area here. And I can even take all of these and upload them all at once. All right, so one thing with vision boards, what I like to do is to have a large photo that represents like the main thing that I'm really like wanting to manifest. So my dream apartment, I definitely want to live in a city, in like a downtown area. You know, New York, Chicago, that would be like some of my like dream places to live right now. So I'm actually going to pick a photo. You can see I've already kind of like explored, but I'm gonna choose a photo of New York that I like. So let's see here. I do actually, this one with the kind of sunset time, that was cute. I liked that. So I'm going to put that in the center of my vision board. It's a large thing. It's really like projecting that, hey, this is where I want to live. So next I want to go into my uploads here, and you can see I've got all those pictures of apartments. The specific style that I want to manifest is this industrial loft kind of look. So I've got all these photos here that I downloaded, and I'm just going to click and drag them into these spaces that are on the board. We'll do this one. Okay. So right off the bat, you'll notice that this area here where it had all the different little color swatches, the photo is like faded out on that. And this is going to happen when you're using different templates and they've got some different effects or whatever on each kind of photo. And you may not want that for your vision board, of course. So what you can do is just like click on these. You might have to double click on some of them. If it's just a transparency thing, there's a little button right here that says transparency, and you can check that. If that isn't working, then you might have to check through one of these other items here and see what will pop up. All right, we may have to ungroup this one first, and then, yeah, there we go. Now we can do the transparency. So now all of these are going to be 100%. So that means they're exactly the way you want them. Now, if you wanted to adjust the photo, like how it's cropped or anything, you can just double click on it and make any adjustments. Super easy. This one, maybe not. There we go. Really get the loft look in there. This one's really cute. I love it. And this one, because I love sliding doors. So I really would love to have that in my apartment. All right. So the next thing we want to change, let me check this one for any filters or effects. None. Okay. So the next thing I want to change up is this section with text on it here. And actually, there. So I'm not really into this color blue. So I'm going to select this triangle here, or rectangle, and pick another color that I like. Maybe something muted. Yeah, that goes well with it. These are all just colors I have on my Canva account already. Otherwise, you can just click on the color button that's up here when you select the rectangle. Click on this, you click new color, and then you can create any kind of color you want. Want something kind of purpley, kind of blue. So it matches that photo a little bit. Because I do really like this photo. All right. Now I'm going to work on the text. Obviously, this is not, it's not a turquoise mood board or inspirational thing. So I'm going to change this to actually an affirmation that I want to think about when I see this vision board. So affirmations on your vision board, it's really important to have them in like the present tense, that as if you have all that you want already. So instead of saying that like I will live in New York or I will have an industrial loft apartment, I'm going to say I have my dream loft apartment. Okay. So that way it's putting it like, whenever I look at this and I think about this, I'm going to envision myself actually being inside this apartment. It's in my dream city, my dream style of apartment. Like I have this thing already. Like that's the feeling that I want to project. So I could again put some more text here, like more affirmations or something. Let's see. else can I say? Let's see. Okay, let's ungroup this again so I can edit this. I want to make this text all the way like that. I'm going to change the color to something lighter. So let's see, let's say this color, but light. And then click this one, change it to that color too. I'm going to change this text a bit. Yay! So right there, this is something that we could use, well, I could use for my vision board. Like now I can like print this off, get it printed as a poster. You can see here this button says print posters, and you can actually like go through the process to get this printed by Canva. And you can see you can get different sizes there. It'll tell you how much it'll be for however many copies you want. And then you can go through and purchase that. And, you know, if you want to make any more adjustments to kind of change it up a bit, maybe I want this to be wider or something so it fits the area a little more. Like I can change that up if I need to. I'm just going to leave it like that for now, but you know, that's how you can quickly and easily create a vision board inside of Canva.